How many fingers do you have on one hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me guess. The right answer is 5. What number comes after 3? 2, 4, 5. Let me guess. The right answer is 4. What shape has 3 sides? Square, circle, abstract, triangle. Let me guess. The right answer is triangle. If you have 2 apples and get 1 more, how many apples do you have in total? 2, 3, 5. Let me guess. The right answer is 3. Suppose you have 5 candies and eat 2. How many are left? 2, 3, 5. Let me guess. The right answer is 3. Which number is bigger, 7 or 4? Let me guess. The right answer is 7. Hi, I am so happy you learned a lot, and please don't forget to subscribe to Schoolify